Okay, so in this lab we will talk about shared disk, managed disk. In the previous one we used a snapshot and then we created a hard disk from a snapshot and then shared it to a different virtual machine. But what if we want to share one disk with both of the virtual machine at the same time? Again, very easy process, shouldn't take long. We go to the create a resource, type managed disk and hit on create. Here you choose your resource group, give it a name, maybe shared disk, choose the central US, availability zone doesn't really matter. Here you want to make sure you change the size. If it says 10 GB, so we want to make sure that at least it can be shared with multiple virtual machines. So see max share. So we select 2 here. So please don't forget that. Click on OK, go to encryption, go to networking, everything is fine, go to advanced. Make sure you allow this disk to be attached to 2 or more virtual machines. It has to be yes. So you select yes and then you can select whatever the default selection is. So hit on review and create. So now it's been deployed. What we want to do is go back, go to the virtual machine, and we want to create the virtual machine. So select your group, name it shared disk VM1. Make sure it's in the same region as to where our managed disk is. Asking me to choose a different size, doesn't matter. Choose the username, password. Okay, everything is same. Go to the disk now. So here, where you normally create a snapshot or anything, you now can use the shared managed disk which we created. So if you click on attach an existing disk, and here it should show us the existing one. Maybe we need to refresh. So I'll just refresh it. Let's see if it comes. Yep, we have it here now. So we can select this disk here, which is the shared disk, and leave the rest same. Review and create. This is now gonna create a virtual machine for us with the managed disk we created. So this is first virtual machine. Why not go back and create another virtual machine? So I want to go back home and create another virtual machine. So add virtual machine, demo. I can call this one shared disk VM2. Same again, central US I want it. I don't want no infrastructure. I will change the size of this one. Again, give the username, password the array123. Okay. Everything same. Now go to the disk again, and then here we say attach an existing one, and then we attach again the same disk, and then we go to review and create. So now both machines have got shit. Oh, we got error. What is the error? Oh, regional quotas. That's always a damn problem, isn't it? Okay. Will that be an issue? Okay, we just changed the disk size, so that's fine. Hit on create. Now come back when both of the machines are in place. So I'm logging inside the first virtual machine. I just want to make sure that we have the hard drive mapped with this one. Oh, now we are inside our virtual machine 1. Let's see if we have the hard disk attached, which it should not be because we haven't initialized and set a volume. So let's see. Open the Internet File Explorer, and there is nothing in here yet. So let's go to File and Storage Services, go to the disk, and in here we can see 256, the one we created. What I have to do is say initialize, say yes, and then we can set a new volume, hit on next, 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 and hit on create. So now this one should have a hard disk attached, which is here, 255. Now let's go back to our VM2. Let's see if we're able to have the same VM for our virtual machine 2. Did we even create it? We did create it out, didn't we? So what's the problem here? So go virtual machine. Yeah, for second machine, I'm gonna start the second machine. If we go to disk, we can already see that, I hope. Yeah, we can see share disk here. We just need to log inside this one. RDP, download, select the file, continue, say test user, and the password, and we just have to configure the same hard disk in that one, so hopefully we'll be able to see that. Oh, excuse me. So let's see if we have the hard drive attached with this one. Not now, because we still have to set a volume, but we can just double check. Okay, now let's go to File and Storage and go to the disk. And I believe this time we just need to set a volume because we already initialized this one. So right click on this one, just say new volume, select next, next, okay, and then next, 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 and hit on create. Okay, hit on close, and then we should have our shared drive in here. So this is how we can share both two drives in here. What if I want to do maybe a trial? What if I want to create a folder here, maybe say sample? I just want to see if I get this in my other machine or not. Will they share the same data at the same time? I haven't tested that before. I can give it a go, maybe see if it works. Just some random stuff in there, save it. Okay, just want to close this one. What if I want to go to my VM? Oh, there are so many VMs. I actually want to disconnect all of them first. So not this one, not this one. I just want to close this one too. I'm not sure which one is this one, so I'll close this one too, just for your purpose. I could have just showed you, but I just want to make sure I'll go back to the VM1 again and just see if the data is there. I haven't tested that scenario before, but let's give it a try. That was a big ass keyboard. Weird. Okay, just want to refresh the screen. Let's go inside this one. Oh, no folder there. It's just only sharing the drive with that. Not the same thing. That's weird. But anyway, this was a quick a lab to show you how can you share the same hard drive I think we have to do some clustering on that. But yeah, this was just a quick demo to show you we can share a same disk. But thank you for watching the video. Hope this was helpful.